How to run Facebook ads for digital products. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create your ads for your digital products on Facebook. I can assure you guys that this method is very effective and you will be selling products like crazy with it if you get the right idea and of course if you get the attractive products. Here we are on the Facebook ads landing page. As you can see here, you can of course read it however you want. We can start here. For me, I have also signed up for Facebook and Ads Manager. Here's my account and campaigns. Now let me explain to you how this work. For beginner, we have three type of ads. We have the image ad, like this image ads. As you can see here, a little description and the logo of the page, of course, and a little illustration or image. As you can see, here is the website and the download link. Also, we have the video ads. Like here, this page looks like this. She's got a description, of course, and a video for her. And finally, the carousel. The carousel contains 3 or 4 images with different story. Each image have a different story like this. Facebook recommends using carousel ads to feature multiple products that link to different landing pages, highlight multiple features of a single product, tell a story across the images or video, walk people through a process, showcase the benefits of becoming a customer. Look, this is the example of a carousel. Now let's go back to the campaigns. Let's create a campaign. Here we have different type of campaigns. We have the objective of awareness, traffic. Here, if you have a page and want some traffic to make it through, the engagement, leads, the app promotion, and finally the sales. Here, the leads and the sales are, you can see, or you can say they are the same, okay? They both have an objective for conversion. I clicked on next. I choose the Advantage Plus shopping campaign. I can use the manual too. Now, here is our campaign. We name it. Let's choose a name for it. Let's take an example test, selling or test campaign, something like this. You don't have to think a lot about the name of the campaign because you are going to put multiple campaigns or multiple ads, as you can see here. Now the conversion here is a website. Of course, you have to get a website so you can sell your digital products. The performance goal is to maximize the number of conversions. Here the pixel is the most important thing. The pixel is the learning phase of Facebook that will make clients buy your products. It will engage for a audience, then it will choose the right audience, of course, that will buy, not just see the product, but buy the product. Here in the location, I will choose, for example, France. Why not? You can use a location, the location that you want. Now for the regions and countries, it is the same, I think. Yes, it is no specification, countries, region. Here, yes, it is the same. Europe, yes, it is the same. We don't have to care about this. Now the audio, the from the reporting the engaged audience, it doesn't matter. okay, as long as you have the right location and the right ad or the right creative, it doesn't matter. Here, of course, I wanted to select a more specific region in France, like Paris. It doesn't let me here. I think if we change something, I think if we choose Leeds, we can do this, but I don't know why it is not showing me the maps. Here, the daily budget or the lifetime budget, the start date and the end date. Here, you can set a date and time. Of course, you have to make your research about the time that people are free and scrolling on Facebook or Instagram. Here, the end date, I will make it, for example, from the let's make it 24 hours. Budget scheduling, this is not important. You can increase your budget during specific time periods. This, it is not important. Now we have next. Here you can, it is the ad name. Here you can name it as you want. Of course, the ad setup, you can create ad using existing posts or something like this. The manual upload, of course. The format, single image or video, carousel or collection. You can schedule it, of course. The multi-advertiser ads is recommended, so let it checked. Here we can add a video. Generally, guys, the most effective ads are the video ads. The image ads are good, don't get me wrong, but it's not like the videos. You can create a presentation video about your digital product, okay? Here I'm not making a video about a digital product, but I am just showing you how you can, for example, upload a video, crop it, edit it on the platform of Facebook ads, and you can get the preview, how to place it, etc., etc. But you have to invest more time and some of the budget on creating your creatives or videos, advertising videos about your digital products. So the people will get attracted to buy it, not just to see it, if you know what I mean. Because when people doesn't get the idea or get attracted to the product that you are selling, they will just ignore it or just watch the video because they like the song or they like the description or they like to read something. It is very important to choose carefully your creatives. Here we've come to the headlines, description, and the call to action. Here for the headline, we will write free gift included, so we will attract more potential leads. For the description, you can choose ChatGPT or make a short description. The shorter description, the best it is. Now for the call to action, we can make it order now or download. If you are selling a digital ebook or something like this, you can make download. Or if you are selling a account or something like this, you will place order now. Here for the website URL, you will have to put your landing page URL. The display link is optional. I don't recommend you to put a display link, but if you want to, you can make the short version of your link. You can, I don't know, you go to Bitly and shorten your URL so the customers will not see a disturbing long URL. Here I am making just the facebook.com. I don't have a landing page here, but I am doing it just for demonstration. Of course, you can here you have to put the link. It's not a description. You have to put the link, of course, a shortened version of your link, and that's it. That's pretty much resume all of it. You can add a call or WhatsApp. The tracking is not very important here. I think, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I wish that you have enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and see you guys on the next video.